Welcome back to Sullivan Building. My name is Holly, and if you're new around here, we own a building business and a landscape business. So my dad and I are going to get into excavating this front yard. We are going to then rebuild it. So we've got a concrete sleeper retaining wall going in. We've got a Hampton style PVC fence going in. We've got stairs, brick edging, pedestrian gates, irrigation. So come follow along this week and see what we get up to. Today it is currently Sunday, and tomorrow we are going to get into this job. First thing we've done at this job is removing all the green waste, which consists of chainsawing all the trees down, putting them into a pile and grabbing them with the excavator. We have removed all of the trees now. We just have to remove all these stumps, and then the garden is clear from trees. We have just knocked off work for the day. We got everything done that we needed to do today. So that was removing all of our green waste, going to the tip, digging out all the stumps. So that is now finished. Now we are ready to go for tomorrow, which will be excavation of the front yard. So we will use a laser level and the excavator to get one nice flat line from one end of the property to the other, and then that makes it easier for us when we're putting our wall in and drilling all of our holes. So that's what we'll be doing tomorrow. With the excavator and a laser level, we run through the front of the property, get a nice solid smooth line going, and then we can start marking out for all of our holes for our retaining wall. have just finished up for the day. It is about 4 o'clock and we did everything that we needed to do, which was drill all of our holes. So all of the holes for the front retaining wall are now in, and then tomorrow we just have to concrete all of our galvanized steel into the job. So we got all of our premix on site today, our cement on site today. We loaded up the mixer onto the ute, ready to go for tomorrow, and tomorrow then we can just concrete them all.
Like that. Pulse right up.
All of our steel posts are now going in. As you can see here, we've got a timber which goes from the street to the front of our steel post, and we've got a timber from the steel post to the one we're installing, and that gives us all of our measurements to know they're exactly the same. Now we just go through, laser level them, and we level them to make sure they are in the right spot and sitting nicely before we fill them with concrete.
You can make a radio out of a freaking coconut and listen to the radio.
Didn't the coconut have a name?
No.
You sure?
No,
Will?
that's Castaway. That's with that's a movie. Gilligan's Island was after school.
Yeah, your age.
Oh, it was made in 1960.
Me after school was 40 years later than what you were.
Yeah, but it's a pity you can't watch it on something. Oh. I gotta get rid of it all because I'm getting another load out.
Yeah, I'm trying to make more.
Yeah, I'm doing everything here today. I'm carrying the young kid.
So you
It's bring kid to school to work. Don't mention school.
It's bring your old dad to work day.
Have just finished for the day. Today we concreted all of our galvanized steel in, so that was really good. Everything went smoothly with that. We are now ready to drop all of our sleepers in tomorrow. So late this afternoon we went and picked up all of our sleepers on the truck. We also got all of our pavers and bricks for this job, so we are now prepared to get all of that in. We should have that all completed tomorrow, bar maybe the little return at the steps. Yeah, so today was good, got all that in. What we did, we cut a bit of timber and we basically use that as a spacer so everything is consistent instead of just using a tape measure. So we'll put the timber between the two bits of galvanized steel, and then we've got our sleeper width. Also had a bit of timber that we use to make the concrete pads. So basically when we put the sleepers in, we have one nice perfect height all the way through, and there isn't like a gap like this or really small at the top, so that makes it go a bit easier. Now that all of our concrete sleepers are in place, we are ready to backfill. So we've got some drainage ag from the garden supply. We are ready to install that. So it's about 300 by 300 millimeters of drainage ag behind this wall. And then we top fill it with our sand, and then we've got a layer of topsoil on top of that. I am going to leave this one here, but thank you for watching so far. We have definitely more episodes to come of this build. We are going to work on the fence, the stairway, and the arbor next time. So that will really look good once it's in. We've made good progress on this job so far this week, and keep following along. Make sure you like and subscribe and see what we're up to this year. We do have some big projects coming up.